Hi, I'm Gabe Harrington with Rogers Athletic. We're here at the CSCCA in Fort Worth, Texas, and I wanted to show you a little bit about what we have on display with our new pull-up attachment system. So in the traditional sense, you have a pull-up bar, it's a fixed bar. What we've come up with is an interchangeable pull-up system. So we have this handy-dandy cart. On it, you have all your attachments, and we can customize this to make it pretty much whatever you want it. But here we have a standard grip, fat grip, revolving grip, various neutral grips, and then we have the ball again. Now, on the storage cart, what else is cool is it wheels up and you can climb right up to it, pull your attachment out, put it in the rack, and put the new one on. What's great about this tool is not only can you buy it for your new rack, but if you have an existing rack and you want to retrofit it, we can just slide this in place of the existing one if that's something you desire. We're also doing this on rack bridges and things of that nature too. So check us out at rogersathletic.com or talk to your local sales rep.